Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today we are going to take illustration 3, Death of Partner, chapter 5, 12th standard. So let's get started. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it so that you get further notifications of my video, and do share it with your friends. And how was the video? Do comment and hit like. Okay, so let's get started. So illustration 3, balance sheet of Anita, Sunita and Kavita was as follows. Partners share profit and losses 2:2:1. Okay, and here is the balance sheet given, liability side and asset side. So let's quickly move towards the adjustments. Okay, so here are the adjustments. All debtors were considered as good. Kavita died on 1st July 2019. All debtors were considered as good. Second, a contingent liability for a compensation of rupees 900 was provided. Then investment were sold out in
market at 10%.
So what we'll do, we'll put a star mark over here on debtors also, so that we'll know that adjustment is there. And next, investments. Okay, next, loan were paid off. Land and building were depreciated by 800, furniture by 1100. So land and building and furniture. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 15,000. It was to be raised in the books. Okay, then Kavita was entitled to get her share in the profit up to the date of her death. Profit and loss estimated this way. The amount due to Kavita as executor was paid by NEFT. NEFT means bank payment transfer was done. Okay, so we have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. See here, already I have prepared. Okay, see here is revaluation account, then partners capital account and balance sheet, and for working note we'll be doing it over here. So we'll start posting given balance sheet, liability side, capital Anita, Sunita and Kavita, 40,000, 40,000, 20,000. So here by balance brought down 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Okay, then next, creditors
30,000, bills payable 2,000.
We'll be writing these quickly in the liability side. Creditors, no adjustment is there on creditors, and bills payable also. Okay, outer column. Okay, 30,000 and 2,000. Okay, next, now we have completed liability side. Let's move towards asset side. Bank 8,200. Now some amount we have paid cash also and from bank also, so we'll be writing this in bracket. Okay, in a side of assets, bank, how much it is, 8,200 given, isn't it? And
plant and building
55,800.
plant and building, we'll write it in inner column.
There we have put a star mark. Okay, 55,800. So 55,800 we have written. We'll leave a line over here because we have to do an adjustment. Okay, so here it is. And next, debtors 20,800 less RDD, but over here see, in adjustments we had read all debtors were good. So what we'll do, we'll write this debtors full amount 20,800. debtors 20,800, and this they were all good, means no need to make reserves, so we'll write it in the revaluation account by RDD. Okay, how much? 800. Okay, see 800 is over here now, that's why. Now furniture 16,000, adjustment is there, so we'll write it in inner column 16,000. Okay, and here we'll put a line, bottom line. Okay, next investment 30,000, then goodwill it is said 10,000, so some adjustment was there on goodwill. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 15,000. It was to be raised in the books. It means in new books, the new balance sheet, goodwill should come as 15,000. So what we'll do, we'll write it over here, goodwill, and in new balance sheet they are saying it should come how much? 15,000. So we'll write 15,000 over here. And what's the difference? This in it has to be 15,000, and before it was 10,000. So 15,000 minus 10,000, we get 5,000. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to distribute that 5,000 between all the partners in the ratio 2:2:1. Okay, see, goodwill of the firm was valued 15,000. It is to be raised in the books. When we have to raise it in the books, we distribute it between the partners. So in partners capital account, buy goodwill, uh, 5,000, we'll have to distribute 5,000 in the ratio 2:1. So we get, when we calculate, we get 2,000 and 1,000. Okay, so let's move towards adjustments. Kavita died on 1st July 2019. Then all debtors are considered as good, so this adjustment we have already done. Okay, next a contingent liability for a compensation of 900 was provided. So contingent liability, so this is a liability, so it will go in liability side, contingent liability. How much? 900. Okay, and second effect of this, we will give it in revaluation account, debit side, to contingent in short I will write, if you just use full form. Okay, $900. Next, investment were sold out in market at 10% profit. Then we'll go over here, 10% profit. It means investment is sold out, it is not present in new balance sheet because it is gone already. Okay, so sold, we'll put a dash over here and a dash over here. Okay, because it is not present and cash is coming in. So what we'll do, we'll add plus 10%. It means 8,000 30,000 ka 10%. So what we get? 3,000. 3000 is the profit plus the amount of this, isn't it? 30,000 plus this was the profit. So in all total we will be writing it as 33,000, isn't it? Because we are getting above 30,000, we are getting 3,000, so it's the profit. And this next adjustment will do it over here by investment. Now here only profit amount will be writing it as 3,000. I hope you have understood. Okay, next, loan were paid off. Now loan were paid off means from obviously bank or cash we must have paid. So over here see, loan is given 8,000, isn't it? So what we'll do, we will be going over here and we'll write all loan means, okay, everything all loan, but first over here it is given 8,000, so first this adjustment will be given 8,000 minus 8,000. Further we'll see, okay, what more they are saying. Just for sake I am writing over here. Next, land and building were depreciated by 800, furniture by 1100. They are depreciated, land and building less depreciated by 800 and furniture by 1100. So the amount we get as, see, land and building, plant and machinery we get 55,000, okay, when we minus this, and furniture we get it as 14,900. Now this entry will do in revaluation account to land and building $800 and to furniture 1100. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 15,000. It was raised in books. This already we have done. Then Kavita was entitled to get her share in the profit up to the date of her death. Profit for 2019 and 20 was estimated as 10,000. So we'll have to do a working note over here. So here we'll be writing calculation of Kavita's share in profit. Equals to what they are saying, up to the date of a death for profit for 1920 was estimated 10,000. So $10,000 multiplied by, after 3 months she died, isn't it? So 3 divided by 12, and her share of profit is 1 divided by 5. So we get rupees 500. Now this will go in profit and loss suspense account, okay, in partners capital account over here by profit and loss suspense account 500, and this will go in liability side profit and loss, suspense account 500. Okay, now what they are saying, the amount due to Kavita's executors was paid by NEFT. Okay, so first we'll have to close the account and then only we'll be getting the amount which has to be paid. So let us close the revaluation account first. So we get the total over here as 3,800 and balance we get as 1,000. Okay, now this 1,000 we are going to distribute it between all the partners. To partners capital account, and Anita, Sunita, Kavita will distribute it between their profit sharing ratio, that comes to 400, 200. Okay, now this will transfer it in profit and loss अपना capital partners capital account by revaluation account. How much we got? 400 and 200. Now we'll close these accounts. So what we get, see, first we'll close the person who is died. So we get 21,700 over here. We'll put it here, 21,700. Here also we'll write 21,700. Now this is to Kavita executor account, isn't it? Executor, we are going to give it executor. Now what's going to happen, what they had said, it is going to be Kavita, the amount due to Kavita's executor we are going to pay. We are going to pay it, it means from cash we'll be giving. So what we'll do, we'll here minus, how much was the amount? 21,700. So here we'll be writing 21,700. Okay, and no further calculations are there. So what we get outside as 11,500. Okay, now we'll close other accounts. 42,400. Here also we'll write 42,400 and here 42,400. To balance carried down. Here also we get 42,400, 42,400 and here we'll be writing 42,400. Now this balance of these two partners we are going to transfer it in over here, liability side, capital account, Anita and Sunita. 42,400, 42,400. And any more adjustments are there or what? Nothing. So let us see our balance sheet tallies or not. Okay, so the balance we get it as 1,17,700. It is going to tally 1,17,700. Okay, I hope you have understood this this illustration. So if you have any problem or confusion, you can comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, do share it with your friends, and hit that like button down there, and it's free guys, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video. Thank you, bye bye.